Well, today we are in Antwerp hosting our customer event, so sharing with them the sustainability journey in this perfect environment.
So this event for us represents, first of all, something new that we never did before. And the objective is very simple. We want to showcase what we do for sustainability and making them experience it live.
Sustainability is a matter of business, and so we integrate it in anything that we do, both at sea and inland.
Here in Antwerp, we can demonstrate to our customer the real life, the tangible of what we are doing every day and what they can read in the contract. But here I think it's much better.
If you just look around, you will see here we have everything that we need to showcase. So we could really pinpoint all the things we did for sustainability. We have the rail, we have the trucks, we have the terminal, we have the repair facility. We really have everything that we needed here.
Collaboration is everything when it means about sustainability, because we really need to work together on addressing the challenges. So we know we have a great responsibility for our customers, that we are in their supply chain. We need to address their goals, which are also our goals. So we are working on this together.